eyebrow up in place. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to be showing you how I do my eyebrows at home. So I will be using the Gigi like wax warmer, and I'm going to show you the wax I use. Hopefully I put a picture right there. And then for the beginning, I'm going to use baby powder, alcohol, and some type of smoothener like aloe vera. I know this isn't like a real one, but it does the job. You're going to need like some type of strips to rip it, and like mini like kind of like toothpicks to like put it up there like this. So last but not least, these right here. You wouldn't think they're important, but they're important. So yeah, the wax is heating up right now, and then I'm going to show you how I wax my eyebrows. Y'all can't really see, but I have a mirror a mirror directly in front of me. So first thing I'm going to do, because I went to cosmetology school, like, did I get my license yet? No, but did I go? Yes. So first thing I'm going to do is test the wax on my wrist. If it's too hot, then, you know, let it cool down. If it's not, you're fine. And from, oops, I don't pay attention to that. And from this up here, the wax is good enough. So now I'm gonna take a strip. Same thing you gotta do with your eyebrows. Just gonna lay and rip. And then lay and rip. So right now I'm just getting it off me. So first thing we're gonna do, because it's definitely red right there, is get some alcohol and clean the area. And dry it. And this is how I do it. And then you're gonna take the baby powder, and it's kind of like the same with like doing your legs. I most likely make a video on that as well. And then just like wipe it and like make it dry. Okay, yeah, now we're good. So you grab a new one. So since it's fine, we're gonna do the unibrow first. And yeah, hopefully y'all have a good view of everything that I'm doing. Okay, we're back. So we're gonna take a little bit of wax. Okay. And again, I'm not a professional. I only do me and my boyfriend's eyebrows. So hopefully y'all can see very well. So, yeah. Take this. Y'all can't really see, so, and I barely have any hair right there. But yeah. Now I'm going to do the upper. So I don't necessarily have a brush, so I'm just using my finger. Then we're gonna get it in the wax. And whoop. Get it in the wax. And take some off. And follow around your eyebrow. take your time because you can mess up very easily. Yep. Then I use another wedge strip. So place it down. So far, I cleaned the top. I actually did pretty good. And I'm not going to do right there. I'm just going to pluck. Cause I'm gonna just do all the top and the bottom, all it together. Yeah. That's my top. Cleaned it. Now we're gonna hit the bottom. So again, you don't need too much. Then I lift my eyebrow up in place. Just like so. And again, it's better for it to be thin, like a thin layer, because then it'll pick it up way more easily. So, yeah. And yeah, now I'm just gonna get this little one because it didn't come out. And then shape, so it's my first one. And then my second one goes up a little bit more, but now we're on the second one, and I use my alternate hand, so you have to be like really careful, but first push it where you want it to go after. So. Okay. Second one done. Of course, y'all can see I need to use a brush. Ooh, they're gonna hurt. And I'm kind of scared to do right here, so I'm just gonna pluck it. And when you pluck, use the go pluck out the same way your hair is growing. Ooh. And now we do the bottom. I'm gonna take a little bit off. I mean, pretty good. But again, I'm not professional. This is just how I do it. So if you want to follow, you can follow. If you don't. But yeah, all you know is cleaning up the hairs. Yeah, I did this one so good. Just holding excess. Don't want to come off my skin. It's that acne bump. So yeah, I think I'm done. I don't really go in too much right here in the middle because I don't want it to look weird, but and then now my aloe vera. Well, aloe vera. And I just place that everywhere I basically put the wax. And then that will dry, and then I will come back and show you the results. Okay. But it does look like hello, while I'm editing my video, I noticed that I never came back to show y'all the finished result of it being dry. So I don't really want like a mad arch or anything. I really just aim to clean up them. So yeah, that is my, don't mind my edges. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe and go watch more. And I hope y'all have a great morning or night.